students, welcome to RP class. Let's see the problem. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Production yield in a class interval they have given and also number of farms they have given. So draw a more than type value. So we should draw a more than type value we should draw, right? So what is the difference of less than and more than? Less than mean we should take the upper limit and the up onwards we should add for cumulative frequency. In the more than type value, we should take the lower limit and down onwards we should add, that we should remember. Now you see, first we should do the tabular column, right? So how to do that? The production yield. Production yield more than type, right? So more than or equal to lower limit. So more than or equal to, what is the lower limit here? 50. Then more than or equal to 55. Then more than or equal to 60, more than or equal to 65, more than or equal to 70, more than or equal to 75. So we done a production yield, right? The next number of farms. So now you think the given value is a frequency or cumulative frequency? The given value is a frequency. How we can check? They given a class interval. They did not give more than or equal to value. Suppose if they given more than or equal to value mean the given value is a cumulative frequency. But here they given a class interval, right? Upper limit and lower limit. Both also they given. So first we should take the more than lower limit and we should write the frequency. What is the frequency? 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. 38, 16. Then next we should find the cumulative frequency. In cumulative frequency, in a less than value, how we will find the cumulative frequency? We will add the frequency up onwards we will add, right? But if this is a more than value, so we should add down onwards, we should add this only, we should remember. Down onwards we should add. So here 16 means, here 16 only, then 16 plus 38, 54. 54 plus 24, 78. 78 plus 12, 90. Sorry, 90. 90 plus 8, 98. 98 plus 2, 100. Finally, we will get the total and value in the question they give 100, right? So here also we got 100. See, listen, what we should remember, more than type mean we should add the frequency down onwards. Less than value mean up onwards. That one please you just remember. Less than mean up onwards we should add. More than mean down onwards we should add. And also the class interval. Less than type mean we should take the upper limit. Less than mean upper limit. And more than mean we should take the lower limit. More than or equal to lower limit. More than or equal to lower limit. Now we done a tabular column. Now we can easily do the value graph, right? In the graph sheet how to do? So we know that in a less than value, here we will write the upper limit. So here this is a more than value. So here we should write a lower limit. Lower limit, this is a CF only. So lower limit, what is the lower limit? 50, 55, 60, 75, right? Up to. So 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Then you check the cumulative frequency up to 100 is there. So better we can take a 10, 10. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now we can mark the point. So more than or equal to 50 means 100. So 50, 100. Then next 55, 98. 55, 98. Then 60, 12. Sorry, 60, 90. 60, 90. We have to check the cumulative frequency, not the frequency, right? So 60, 90, 60, 90. Then 65, 78, 65, 78. Then 70, 54. Then 75, 16, 75, 16, 16 it will come here. Now we just join all the points. So this is our more than audio. This is our more than audio. So what are the things which we just remember here? More than audio, we should take the lower limit. What is the lower limit? 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So lower limit we should take, and where we should add the frequency? Down onwards we should add. In less than audio, we should take the upper limit. We should add up onwards. That only we just remember. Now we will see one more problem. Okay, let's see the next problem. The annual profits earned by 30 shops of a shopping complex in a locality give rise to the following distribution. So profit and number of shops they have given. So we should draw a more than type audio, right? So what is the difference of the previous one and this question? The previous question they given the class interval, right? The class interval they have given. Class interval means lower limit and upper limit. Both also they given. So the given value is a frequency. We find the cumulative frequency. But in the question they did not give the class interval. They mentioned more than or equal to 5, more than or equal to 10. That means what? The given value is not a frequency. The given value is a cumulative frequency. The given value is a cumulative frequency. Otherwise, one more things also you can remember. The total shops is 30, right? So here also, first the value is 30 only. And also it is decreasing, right? Therefore, the given value is a cumulative frequency. Otherwise, easily you remember, they did not give the class interval mean the given value is a cumulative frequency. So now we need to do tabular column. No need to do any tabular column. Directly we can do the graph sheet, right? So we know the lower limit we know, and also we know the cumulative frequency. Directly we can do the graph. So in a graph sheet, this is X and this is Y. So here lower limit and this is a CF value, right? See lower limit 5, 10, 15. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. See, check the cumulative frequency up to 30 is the highest. So we can go with the 5, 5. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Up to 30, right? So 40 enough. So now we see 5 means 30. So 5, 30. Then 10, 28. 10, 28. 15, 16. 15, 16. Here it will come. Then 14, 20, 14. Then 10, 25, 10. And then 37, 37 here. Then 3, 35, 3, 35. It is 3 here, right? So the graph, it will come like this. So now we got the more than type audio, right? So what are the things we just remember in a more than type? In a more than type, a class interval they given mean. That means lower limit and upper limit they given mean. The given value is a frequency. We should find the cumulative frequency. How to find the cumulative frequency? In down onwards, we should add the frequency. Then we will get the cumulative frequency. Then we need to do the graph here lower limit and the here cumulative frequency. Suppose in the question they did not give the class interval. Directly they have given the more than or equal to value mean the given value is a cumulative frequency. So no need to find the cumulative frequency. They only given the cumulative frequency. Also they given the lower limit. So directly we can mark all the point in the graph sheet. Thank you students.